Many years ago, like 50 years ago, I formed a silly habit of making books. This was my first artist book. It's a book of bound etchings that were made, that I made in 65, 66. And then today, I'm using the industry called just-in-time publishing to produce books like this, 6,000 essays that I have written. My latest project is the Halfwood Press Encyclopedia, one of the best things I think I ever achieved. And then there are folders and folios, like this liner suite, one of the best projects I was ever involved with because it involved more artists. Thanks for watching.